Okay, so guys, we are in Elk Grove Village, Illinois right now. And if you look at some of my previous videos, you've been seeing that this wind has been getting pretty crazy. And we are under a severe thunderstorm warning. I see that coming because every single warning gives you about 15 minutes to prepare for like weather and storms and stuff, not like the fire warnings, because I've had that for literally like a day now. Yeah, so Elk Grove Village, Illinois, if you're in Chicago or Cook County and you just got a severe thunderstorm warning on the Weather Channel, the app, this storm is coming your way. I will be, hopefully I can get the 50 subscribers tonight so I can start live streaming. I wish. But, yeah. Wait, is that a wall call? Let's see. Wait. What is that? Yo, Ashley, what is that? Guys, what is that? Do you see that? What is 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 that? If it's just in my imagination, that's not good. Bro, am I the world's dumbest? Because that was on my window. Alright, I'll be right back. Because this storm's here, do you want to drive around in it?
Yeah, let me finish my thing now.
Guys, we are going to be driving around in this storm. Alright, guys. So I'm going to be here updating you guys until I go driving in storm chase. Is that a wasp? No. What was that? Anyways, let's get back to being serious. That is kind of insane. How this is insane. Okay, so guys, we have a severe storm rolling in to the Chicago northwestern towns. One of them is Elk Grove Village, Itasca, Schaumburg, Arlington Heights. I guarantee you that those towns are going to be in effect for the severe thunderstorm warning for a while. So as we are recording this video, previously, last year, we had a very bad storm that pushed over trash cans. But they're over there. They're over there. And ours are not even out also. So, here's the thing. I'm not going to see any trash cans go flying during this. But this storm is going to bring a huge impact for gusty winds and strong winds and possible tornado threat. This storm, I haven't seen any lightning, but hopefully we are. So, let's go. Okay, so guys, I am going to be ending this video in a couple minutes. So, we're going to be storm chasing this storm so we can see the storm. And then we can drive around in it. We can get a better like perspective of everything. So, I I'll be making another video very shortly. So, see you guys.